Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open Capcut PC and load the project that has the subtitles you want removed. First, find the timeline track with subtitle text or burnt-in caption clips. This is where you'll act. Make sure snapping and timeline zoom are set so you can precisely select small text clips. By doing this first, you avoid accidental edits to video or audio. Once that track is visible and zoomed, you're ready to select and isolate each subtitle element for removal. Now you select the subtitle clips or the text overlay layers directly on the timeline. Click one to preview. If multiple, hold Shift and click to batch select, then press Delete. If subtitles are grouped with other overlays, right-click and choose Ungroup so you don't remove unintended elements. For burned-in subtitles embedded in the video track, use a duplicate clip and mask or AI remove tools instead. This preserves the original while you experiment. Make sure to scrub the timeline to confirm all text is gone. Finish by closing gaps left by deleted subtitle clips. Use ripple delete or drag clips to remove empty space so timing stays tight. Play through the full sequence and use render preview to catch any residual text or artifacts. If you removed burned-in text with a mask, examine edges carefully. Once clean, export with the same resolution and codec as your source. If something went wrong, reload the backup project file and revert the specific track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.